Dun dun dun. Melting Copper Cx70 Mazda 2025. First dealer delivery. Look at how beautiful this looks. Melting copper. Does it look like a CX90? Yes. Is it a CX90? No. CX70, you know from the badging. You know from these little plastic jobbies. You know from these slightly redesigned wheels. You know from these plastic honeycomb vents. You know because there's no chrome anywhere. Boom. No chrome around the door. Boom. Black chrome. Boom. You know because there's no third row seat. Or is there? Nope. It says CX70, which means no third row seat. But this is one humongous cargo area. Wowzers, wowzers. You still get cup holders, amazingly, if you want to tailgate. And you still get air conditioning vents. Keep your tailgaters nice and cool. These seats do fold down with the touch of these buttons are located right there. Let's try this for the very first time, see how it works. Wow. Try this side. Wow. I should really put that in the 90 as well. Maybe next year. They do not come back up though. But it is a very nice car, and I promise you there is no third row seat under here. Just mega storage. Store ropes and such. No seat, I promise you. Put your dogs back here, or wild children. Now this is the Turbo S Premium Plus with the tan interior, which is my personal favorite. So you got the nice velour, suede, heated seats. Uh-oh. No rear air conditioning seats. That's a letdown. And the front is pretty much the same as the 90, identical. No air conditioned rear seats in the Turbo S Premium Plus. What's up with that, yo? Alright. Anyway, this is the 2025 Mazda CX70 Turbo S Premium Plus. 5-passenger. Melting copper actually looks a lot better in person than it does online. Enjoy.